A 36-year-old laborer of Gully Road in St. Anne, who was reportedly out on bail, was gunned down Monday afternoon. The deceased has been identified as Dwayne Clark, otherwise called Zanu. According to lawmen, preliminary investigations revealed at about 3 p.m., residents heard explosions and summoned the police. Upon their arrival, Clark was seen lying on his back with what appeared to be multiple gunshot wounds to his upper body. He was transported to hospital where he was pronounced dead. Reports are that Clark was on bail after he reportedly charged with murder. The incident follows another fatal shooting on Sunday, where Adrian Bridge, a 47-year-old auto body repairman, was allegedly shot by a member of the Jamaica Defense Force during an argument in Battersea. The police are investigating both cases. Gunmen shot and killed a farmer while he was playing a game of dominoes at a shop in Linstead, St. Catherine on Monday night. The deceased is 37-year-old Nigel Carty, otherwise called Biggs or Crushy, of Sunnyside District in Linstead. Preliminary reports are that about 8 p.m., Carty and other persons were engaged in a game of dominoes when two men pounced on them and opened gunfire, hitting him several times. Carty reportedly succumbed to his injuries at the scene. The video of the aftermath of the shooting has gone viral on social media, showing the man's body seated on a stool around a domino table on which his head was rested in a pool of blood. No motive has been identified for the gun attack, which is being probed by the Linstead police. 2 people have been taken into police custody and an assault rifle seized following a cordon and search operation in the Battersea New Green area of Manchester on Tuesday morning. A cordon and search operation carried out this morning commenced about 4:30 a.m. in the Battersea New Green area. An AR-15 along with a quantity of 5.56 rounds were seized during the search. 2 persons have since been taken into custody for questioning. Head of the Manchester Police, Superintendent Shane McCullough said. Superintendent McCullough said the operation is ongoing. The individuals are being questioned in connection with the find.